Hello everyone. COVID-19 brought massive changes to our pedagogy, and the colossal efforts and hard work by everyone in the past year is hugely appreciated and not underestimated, and it's not forgotten. However, there is perhaps now a little light at the end of the pandemic tunnel, and the advice we have from the Minister for Further and Higher Education is to strive to be fully back on campus based on public health advice, vaccination rollout and rapid antigen testing. As we record this video clip in mid-August, we do not know yet what, if any, social distancing requirements will be in place for the coming semester. But it may be pragmatic to consider some options, particularly for large classes. And 4 possible options are presented on the website Teaching Today in UCC, and I hope one of these will suit the needs of most staff. But today I would like to say a few words about option 2, lectures split between live delivery and an online audience. Essentially live streaming your lectures through Canvas and Panopto from your normal lecture venue. This approach has some advantages, not least in that it is very simple, gives a normal campus experience to many students, requires little or no preparation in advance of the lecture, and importantly can be unwound if circumstances improve. And what we have in mind here is live streaming the lecture from your normal venue through Canvas and Panopto with a cohort of students watching online. And cohorts can alternate, for example, each week. And cohorting does not mean delivering the lecture multiple times. Many of us already group students for labs or for clinical teaching, but another simple way might be to group students based on whether the last digit of their student number is odd or even, and this would obviously reduce student numbers in your class by 50%. Buildings and estates will have marked the rooms according to any social distancing guidelines, and we hope and expect students will be responsible and will not come into a room unless a marked seat is available. If you are thinking of using this approach, a very important point to note is that experience has shown that it is highly inadvisable to try to interact simultaneously with the cohort present in the room and the one online. Unless you're extremely tech-savvy, and indeed probably also have a teaching assistant present with you in the room, we strongly encourage you not to attempt to juggle, but only to lecture to the cohort physically present and deal with questions from the other group later and offline. Finally, we recommend that all streamed lectures are saved and made available to all students. Many people will wonder now whether you need to stay rooted to the spot behind the podium. Now, much will depend on the venue. Some venues, particularly the larger ones, have pendant microphones and wide-angle cameras at the back of the room, but others may not. But even the usual microphones on desks are rated to pick up audio at nearly 4 meters, so you might be able to move around and still record the audio. So please go to your lecture venue before the start of semester 1 and try it out. AVMS have remote mics available for those who really need them. Also, the important thing for many people will be the PowerPoint slides and audio. The video of the lecture may or may not be as important. So I wish you all the very best of luck live streaming your lectures, and I hope that semester 1 will see a gradual return to normality and the campus experience for our students. Thank you.